Hey everybody, welcome. We're going to configure the SOLIDWORKS PDM Administrator for OpenBOM. Let's go ahead and sign into our SOLIDWORKS PDM Vault as the administrator, and then run the download executable for OpenBOM add-in that you received. Go ahead and pull that into our administration panel, and we're going to go through now and add some components of that. First will be the add-in and the data card. You may get a message, does it already exist? If you do, just go ahead and accept that, and then go through and pull in the tasks. I'm just dragging and dropping these in here now. And then finally the variables. So that was the data card, the tasks, and the variables. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to go back up to the add-in. We see that it's there, and we're going to right mouse configure that. And we're going to take a look at the username that we have there. What we're doing now is we're going over to OpenBOM and signing in as our team or company administrator. In this case, the username you're going to see here is called 130admin. This just happens to be my admin for this video. So I'm signing in as the OpenBOM admin, and I'm going to confirm that I have a user on my team that will be used by the SOLIDWORKS PDM system, and there it is. So I'm the admin. I have a user called 130user. Very good. Okay, so let's return back to the SOLIDWORKS add-in configuration and be sure that I'm using the 130admin there. I have it. Go ahead and click OK, and then finally go to the administrator list in PDM and be sure that I have the 130 user assigned here. And I see that I do. So be sure you kind of follow closely. There's two accounts there. The admin signs in and the user is added to the group. Okay. Finally, we see that we have 130 user in both the OpenBOM and PDM. So we're done there. Configuration of that is done. We're going to close the PDM configurator. Go over to our vault now and go to the PDM area of our vault. Open up our vault. In my example here, I'm going to choose the Lego and open the Lego Star Wars Lego assembly, and then click on the data card, and you'll see the OpenBOM UI there. And I'll go ahead and view the BOM. Okay, I see there is no bill of material for this yet in OpenBOM, so I click on Create Update, and we're building now a bill of material in OpenBOM with those settings for the selected assembly. And once that is complete, we can click on View BOM, and OpenBOM will open the bill of material in the browser in OpenBOM.